Hi friends, welcome to RS Car Modifiers. Today we have a Hyryder. We are doing a lot of work in this. Starting with the audio system as usual, we have gone with Audition. In the Audition, we have gone with the OC series in the front side. Comes with a 130 watt RMS. It's a passive speaker. In the back side, we have gone with a OC coaxial speaker. All these four speakers are driven through a SR 4.5. You have seen in many of the videos. Comes with a complete 130 watt into 4. With respect to the subwoofer, what we have gone is an Aura subwoofer, which is going to give you 250 watt of RMS. Very slim active subwoofer. We prefer an active subwoofer for the quantum of bass it can produce, and with respect to a niche kind of a bass as well. So what else we are doing? We are going to do a 2-layer damping also in this. So we have used a brand called as Morel for this. So that is also one of the value addition for a good sounding system. We always request the customer to do a good soundproofing to get a better kind of a sound system. What we are going to use is completely a cordon kind of a wires for the entire setup. We are also doing a very good lighting system, which is from Ozum, the W5 through a fabrication. You can see the process of that also, and I'll be showing you the output of the entire W5 as well. So if you have a car, you want to modify, all kind of modifications are available, starting from the audio to a lighting to a sun film as well in RS Car Modifiers. You can visit us, you can get your vehicle upgraded with RS Car Modifiers. Cheers.